Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to open Adobe Express content in Photoshop. This is incredibly useful when you want to take your web-based designs and bring them into Photoshop for more advanced editing or refinement. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and head over to new.express.adobe.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log in with your credentials. After signing in, you'll land on the Adobe Express homepage where all your projects are stored. Now navigate to the Recent Files section. This is where you'll see all the projects you've been working on lately. Browse through and select the specific project you want to open in Photoshop. Click on it to open the project in the editor view. Once your project is open, look up at the top toolbar. You'll see several options available. Find and click on the download button. This is essential because it allows you to export your design in a format that Photoshop can work with. After clicking download, you'll see some export options appear. Navigate to the file format section and you'll notice a drop-down menu directly below it. Click on that drop-down menu to reveal all the available file formats. From this list, select PDF Standard. PDF is one of the best formats for maintaining quality and ensuring compatibility with Photoshop. Once you've selected PDF Standard, go ahead and click the download button to save the file to your computer. The file will begin downloading, and depending on the size of your project, this might take a moment. Make sure to note where the file is being saved so you can easily locate it in the next steps. Now, since I don't have the Photoshop desktop app installed on this device, I'll walk you through the remaining steps verbally. Open the Photoshop desktop app on your computer. Once Photoshop has launched, click on File in the top menu bar, then select Open from the dropdown. This will open a file browser window where you can navigate to the location where you saved the PDF file you just downloaded from Adobe Express. Select that PDF file and click Open. When you open a PDF in Photoshop, an Import PDF dialog box will appear on your screen. Here you'll have a couple of options. You can choose to convert all pages to images if your PDF has multiple pages, or you can select a specific page if you only need one. Make your selection based on what you need for your project. Once you've made your choice, click OK. Photoshop will then begin importing your Adobe Express content. The file will open in Photoshop as an editable image, and from here you can use all of Photoshop's powerful tools to further enhance, edit, or manipulate your design. And there you have it. You've successfully transferred your Adobe Express project into Photoshop for further editing. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.